In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine animations for advanced effects in Webflow. If you're looking to elevate your website with some compelling animations, you've come to the right place. Let's jump right in and take this step by step, ensuring you get the most out of Webflow's animation capabilities. First things first, we'll want to begin by navigating to Webflow. Just open up your preferred browser and head over to the Webflow website. Once you're there, start by clicking the Login button, located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to enter your credentials and gain access to your account. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is the control center for managing all your projects. From the dashboard, locate the project you'd like to work on. Simply click on the project, and it'll take you into the canvas view where all the magic happens. Now, with your project open, the next step is to dive into the Interactions tab. You can find this option on the right-hand side of the interface. Clicking this opens the door to creating dynamic animations that are sure to impress your site visitors. The next thing we're going to engage with is an element trigger. This is a crucial component because it's what initiates the animation effect based on user interaction. Give it a click, and you'll see a variety of triggers you can choose from, each offering different ways to set your animations in motion. For today's tutorial, we're focusing on the mouse hover trigger. This is particularly useful when you want an element to animate as users hover over it with their mouse, creating an interactive and engaging experience. Clicking on mouse hover will allow you to customize how the element behaves when a user's cursor moves over it. And there you have it. A concise walkthrough on how to combine animations for advanced effects right within Webflow. By systematically enabling these settings, you're well on your way to making your website not only functional, but also visually appealing. Remember, the key to successful web animations is subtlety and relevance, ensuring that each element enhances your user's experience without overwhelming them. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are ready to experiment with these features to bring your site to life. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and leave any questions you might have in the comments below. Happy designing!